Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain the difference between 3D curve and projector curve. So this is the projected curve, and this is also projected curve. I am going to show you the difference between 3D and the projected curve. So let's start now. See here, I am going to create a 2D sketch, simple straight line. So this is the front face of the cube. Now I am creating one more sketch on the top face. Now I am going to create one projected curve. Here I am going to select these two sketches. See here. Now I am going to hide this. I am going to create a 3D sketch. So I have taken a 3D sketch and I am going to select a line and I'm going to join these two vertices. See here. This is the 3D sketch. If it is a simple straight line, we can have 3D sketch. We don't see major difference between the projected curve. See, both are exactly at one location in the collinear. So we can see this difference in for arcs. So I am going to create an arc similar to previous model. So this is the arc on the front of face. Now I am going to create on the top face. So I have created two arcs. Now I am going to create a projected curve. I am going to select these two sketches. See here. Now I am going to show these two sketches, top and front. We'll keep it in front view. See, it is exactly a coincidence. See here. This is the projected curve, blue color, and these two are 2D sketches. So when I rotate, it is exactly matching top and front. Projected sketch, we have one of the advantages that we can control the dimensions very easily. See, we can change the radius as per requirement. So easy to control the dimension. So mostly the projected curve is useful for surface modeling during product design. Now similarly, if I want to create a 3D arc from this vertex to the other vertex. See here. When we see in front view, it is somewhere. Even if you edit this and move near to this arc, it's difficult to control. So it is, the arc is very difficult to control the dimension. Even when we see in top view, so it is not clear. Even though it is joining the two vertices, it's very difficult to control the dimension. Suppose if I give the dimension 3D arc, see it's very difficult to control. So these kind of errors arises during 3D sketch. So when we are working on surface modeling, you should always prefer projected curve. So this is the major difference between projected curve and the 3D curve. So most preferably we use projected curve during surface modeling. Thank you.